Tonight, it has been 9 months since East Tennessee was rocked by historic snow and freezing temperatures. You're seeing some footage from that now. The heavy inches of snow caused people to be stuck at home for weeks. Months later, some local hospitals report seeing more than usual deliveries. Reporter Maria Guzman spoke to the delivery team of a local hospital who experienced a record number of births.
A chilly winter season in East Tennessee.
I wonder how September and October are going to be at the labor and delivery unit.
Brought several new beginnings for this hospital.
Well, it happened.
That's because sub-zero wind chill temperatures outdoors turned up the heat indoors.
It was certainly a boom.
Doctors at Tenova North Knoxville Medical Center helped deliver a record number of newborns. One of those doctors is Dr. Danette Toney. She's welcomed babies for the last 10 years.
At the delivery, it's kind of like a birthday party. I always say, like, I'm ready for the party.
And a party indeed it's been. Doctors delivered 103 babies this September, while last year, 54 babies were delivered at the same time. That's double the number of births.
We had one 24-hour time frame where I personally delivered 8 babies.
Doctors say more babies are typically born during September, October, and into December. Why that trend? Doctors say colder days at the start of the year lead people to be mostly indoors.
No babies is very common, yeah.
And like the phrase goes, it takes a village to raise a child. It also takes a village to deliver one.
It was a bit hectic. The staff has been strained, and we all been working extra hard to try to accomplish that, to take care of the folks for that month that was so busy.
Reporter Maria Guzman joins us now. And Maria, we know other hospitals are also experiencing that high number of deliveries as well.
Yes, Katie, the snow babies continue. A spokesperson from Blunt Memorial Hospital says they are expecting 65 to 70 births in October. The spokesperson says that is more than usual for the hospital.
All right, Maria, thank you.